Hello everyone, welcome to Drago891's world. Now today we're going to be taking this Pokemon model kit, a Pikachu, and building it. So pretty much it comes with the instructions and telling you how to make it. Now we're going to start making it. First we need to take this apart. And here is the sticker for the mouth and face. And we're going to be actually doing the actual face. So I need this one right here. And it's supposed to make a clicking noise. Right here. And I'm supposed to take the black piece. And it looks like it goes right here. But yeah, it shows right here. You have to snap this into place. Just like so. All the way in, so it actually shows what it looks like. And then we need to get the red. And that is the face and cheeks right here. And we pretty much put it just like so. Right in there. Yeah. It looks like about right. But yeah, that's what it looks like so far. I mean, it's very cool how they make them and that. Now it looks like we need this pieces right here. And it's showing that we need to put them together. Just like so. Then we need the body. If I remember right, which one is which? Looks like the one that has the slot. Right here. So we need to put this in just like so. Because that's what it looks like. Okay, it looks like we have to put it in just like. It says check. Okay. It doesn't click, so I'm guessing it's not supposed to click. And then you're supposed to put this other piece of the body, just like so, on top. Whoops. Put it just like so, and then you put it on top. Yep. Just like so. Then, wait a minute. Yeah, make sure it's on the back. Oh, I see what I did wrong. I actually grabbed the wrong piece. If I can get it apart. If it wants to come apart. I will pause the video for right now until I can get it apart. You see, what I did wrong was it's supposed to face towards the back of it where the tail is and that. And I just noticed that right here. Where it's showing right here. So it's pretty much supposed to be like this. Hold on one second, I have to fix that. But yeah, that's what it's supposed to look like. Then I need the back of the head of the Pikachu. It's supposed to be like that. Now we have to flip it towards over here. Now it's going to show me that I need, I think they're over here. Yeah, these little pieces right here that I need. Pretty much shows which way it's supposed to go. So, if I'm looking at this right, you're supposed to put it like upside down, like so. Just like that. Because it shows right here which one is wrong and which one is right. Hold on one second. I'm going to bring it down just a little bit for you guys, so you can actually see it a little bit better. There. Because it shows like that. And I just got it just right where it shows that. Now I have to put the other one too. The same way. Okay, downwards. So this needs to be downwards too. Just like so. Just make sure. Yep, just like that. Because I do not want to mess this up, because I had to use a pair of scissors through this hole to actually take out the body, take it apart so I can switch it back. Because it was a pain in the butt. Now it's showing me that check if it's touching right there, like right there. And it is. So I have to put on the face now. That's what it's showing me. It says attach the face. So I'm attaching the face. Oh, that's cool. You see how it moves? That is cool. Now it's telling me to make the ears now. And the ears are over here. So I have to take this and off. This and off. This and off. And this and off. Then I have to take off these right here. Now it's showing me how to make them. Pretty much just like so. Just like that. Then you're supposed to insert the ear. Just like so. Now, where I found this Pikachu, pretty much you could find them pretty easy. But I found it on, at Hobby Lobby in their store. And that's where I put it. Now you have to put it in like it's supposed to be. Okay, it looks like this and goes over to the long one. Right here. Just like so. And then this end. Where is it? Just like so. There. Now it showed me that they move. Oh! Oh, wait a minute. Maybe that's not how they're supposed to move. Oh! Check. Insert the full tab. I'm guessing... Oh, check. Make sure it's fully in there. Insert the tip forward. Over. Just like so. Oh, okay, I see it. Just like so. So it's back where it's like that. And I'm guessing it's supposed to move like so. Which is cool. right there. And then after attaching the ears, now you have to put the actual hands on it. If I remember right, oh, got it. These should be the hands right here. These right here are the hands. Now it started telling me to attach them right here, just like so. Well, not that. I'm guessing it's this end. Yeah, just right there. And you just snap them together. Same thing with this end. Then you're supposed to put them into the hole. Just like so. Oh, and the hands move too. The hands move too. I'm actually surprised about that. That the actual hands move too. I mean, look. That is cool right there. But it looks like whenever you snap them together, it doesn't actually stay there. But you can still move the hands in that. That's pretty cool. Now we have to attach the feet, which is right here and right here. Now, to attach the feet, you have to put them like it says right here. I guess I'm just going to put them flat like this and actually see if I can attach them just like so. Well, actually, I'm just going to hold it just like so, and just like so. Oh, I dropped it. Just like so. Yep, just like so. So far, so good. Now we have to attach the brown stripes on its back. So it's like this one right here attaches right here. And then this one right here attaches right here. Yeah, just like so. And that's good so far. Now we have to attach the tail. Which you do is snap these off. Snap the tail. And get this last piece of tail. Now it says to attach this to this. Just like so. And then it says to attach the rest of it, you have to right there, and then right there. Just right there and right there. Just like so. And it's a little flimsy. I have to admit it. If you notice, it's a little flimsy. So I have to be careful about that. But then we just attach it. Just like, hold on. If it wants to attach correctly. Oh, it doesn't insert all the way, but it attaches just like so. So it's pretty much easy to move it. You just have to be careful, because it does move just a little too much and it gets loose. But that's pretty much it for that Pikachu. All I have to do is put on the stickers, which I will do very soon. So give me 1 second so I can get some tweezers, because it's a little difficult of putting them on there. Now I'm going to try to do the hardest part. Is this right here. Is the eyes. Now, luckily, it shows a outline of where they're supposed to be. If you can see, just like so. So I have to get it just right. Just right about there. Hold on one second. Move it just a little bit. Yep. Just like so. Which wasn't hard, I think. Hold on. Just a little bit movement, and then voila. That's what I. Now let's hope to. I hope I can get this last one. And it's a little difficult. That's why I'm using tweezers. And I try to grip it at the end of it. Pretty much. So let me just line it up again. Hold on. I have to get my thumb where it needs to be. Just about there. Move it. Just a little bit. Almost there. Just about there, I think. I think I'm gonna move it just a little bit. And that should do it. Hold on. It's a little difficult, actually. Right about there. Yep. Right there. That actually looks very good so far. Because look. You can actually see where the outline shows where it needs to be. I think. Let me make sure. Because you want to get it just right. I mean, I have to get it just right. So far, so good. Let me see the upwards. Oh, I see. It's just a little off. If I move it. Oh. Let me move it back up again. Move it back over. It's the top area that's being a pain in the butt right now. I think right about there. Almost there. Yeah, right there. That should be right. That's the best as I'm going to get anyway. But yeah, let's just right there. There's just a little pen mat. Yep, right there. Now we have to do the nose. The nose is a little bit more complicated because it actually goes around it. It's actually pretty funny how it does it. So, let me see. Oh, this is gonna be a little difficult. But yeah, the thing is a little difficult of doing. But yeah, it's a little difficult because there's like little bitty edges. So if I can get it just right. Okay, I got it on this nose. I think I almost got it. His nose is a little difficult, actually. I have to admit it, his nose is a little bit difficult.
Treason. Space H treason. Space HD, right?
Okay. I got that part done. I need to hold it just like so, I'm guessing. Oh, I see. I have to hold it like so and then push it downwards. And then move it.
Then where are you? In a different section. And did you join her?
This is a little difficult. But once I get it, I hope I can.
Capital H, capital D. Okay. And capital T when you write treason.
His nose is so damn difficult. It says a nose sticker. Oh, I see. Oh, I see. Okay. I have to remove it. Because I got it a little bit wrong. There. I have to put it right here. Right on the top of the nose. Push it down. And fold it. And it's a little messed up. That's the best I'm gonna get, somewhat. As long as I can push it down some more. Push it down some more.
He's a clean player. That's good. No, he doesn't kill people.
I don't really like the sticker, really. For this. Okay. I'm just using my fingers to actually get it on there correctly. But yeah, that's what it looks like so far. It's a little messed up because how it had to been on there. Hold on. Maybe I can fix it. Hold on one second. But yeah, I might use some. Yeah, I'm gonna use a marker actually to actually fix that a little bit. Yeah, because it looks like you need to do it a certain way. I guess. Yeah, just like so. And then you push it towards each other. Yeah, you push it towards each other. Upwards. And then like that. So pretty much it's like that. But yeah, I'm gonna fix that with a little bit of marker. I got a little bit of marker over here. I just need a black one. Hold on one second, I'll be back. Now I found some marker and it should help it. Just like new. Yep, just like new. It actually looks very good though. But I still don't like the sticker, really, how they did it. It's just like, it's so weird. But you just have to deal with what you got. And last but not least, we're going to do the tongue. I'm gonna grab it from here. And actually I'm going to grab it from the bottom, because that would help more. So I can line it up. So pretty much what I'm going to do is try to line it up as best as I can. Oh, shoot. I'm gonna move it again. Move over. Move over. If it wants to. Come on. Ah. Things with these things, they don't want to stay where you want it to go. Because it's a sticker. And that's why. Oh. I almost got it. I have to push it downwards. Oh. A little bit more upwards. And right there. Now the tongue was easy. That was so easy. That was so easy. That was freaking easy. But yeah, pretty much what you can do with this thing is like move its hands, stuff like that, and then move its ears, and then move its tail. Just like so. But yeah, that's what it looks like. And I'll actually get you a front view of it too. So give me 1 second. But yeah, that's what it looks like. I mean, it's cool. It's very cool. It's just, I didn't like the nose. I mean, you can actually tell that the nose looks off. No matter what you did, I mean, it's not going to be right. No matter what you did. But other than that, I mean, I'm actually happy with it. But yeah, that's the complete tutorial of actually making a Pokemon model kit of Pikachu. But that's it. Bye.